You see, Kwani, look at that.
Okay, this little one knows what he's doing. That's a clip from the Fox show MasterChef Junior. 24 pint-sized chefs compete for the title and the coveted chef's jacket. Each week, the home cooks showcase their skills in the kitchen, and they're judged by world-renowned chefs like Gordon Ramsay there. And I caught up with Chef Kwani, one of this season's contestants that you just saw, who went back to the cooking school where it all started, and he showed us what it takes to be a whiz in the kitchen. Take a look.
I made lemon glazed chicken.
So you took a little sidestep from what Gordon showed.
I wanted to show that I can do it different than everybody else.
Thank you.
Are the judges really intimidating? Is Gordon really mean?
No, he's not.
He's nice to you because you're a kid.
You are definitely specialising in that level of finesse.
And Julie, it must be so special for you to see Kwani back and what success he's had. His love for cooking really started here.
It is. It's so special. And yeah, Kwani's a prime example of young chefs, how it can just spark that passion for cooking.
Why do you think it's important to start children young?
They learn self-confidence. You know, wow, I made this. They can learn teamwork, organizational skills, reading, math, so much with cooking.
How to come from behind. I mean, you've worked your way up from the bottom a number of times on this show.
Yeah.
What is that like?
It's scary, but when you redeem yourself, it feels good.
So what's your favorite thing to make? Because I know you made cupcakes one episode, and Gordon Ramsay was like, do not make cupcakes. And they won.
That sponge is delicious. It is fragrant, it is sweet, it's absolutely spot on.
My favorite thing to make is cupcakes. They're just really fun to make and they're really creative.
So today we're going to be making what? These are your very own donuts. You know, I usually wait in line in the drive-thru and get my own donuts.
They're pineapple upside-down donuts.
So show me how you make them.
So first, you put the brown sugar in the bottom.
Okay.
And then you do the pineapple.
Ooh, I see. So it's like an upside-down pineapple cake.
Yeah.
All right, you already have me. Especially because this will get all caramelized, right? Yeah. Oh, there we go. And this fits perfectly in the donut ring. And you made this batter yourself?
Yes, I did.
All right, so tell me what goes into this.
In the batter, there's flour, cinnamon, light brown sugar, and baking powder, egg. There's butter, pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice, so you have the flavor in the donut as well. So you go ahead and put that in there. You bake them, and it shows up like this. Before I taste it, the thing that's pretty incredible about this, Kwani, is not only are you competing on a national show, but you have a company that you've started, a baked goods company. Tell me about that.
It's called Kwani's Baked Goods, and I sell stuff at like the soccer field because I play soccer, and my friends like to buy stuff from me.
All right, guys, let's dig in.
Cheers!
Cakey, sweet, a little tart with the pineapple. Julie, you taught him well. So did Mom. Cheers, you guys. Cheers. Oh, we had so much fun, and you have to tune in to see how far Kwani goes in this competition. MasterChef Junior airs Friday nights on Fox. Good luck to you.